In front of me is EMPORIA Smart 6, and today I would like to show you how you can add photos to text message. Begin by launching messages and selecting or creating a chat. Then use this icon of a camera and the photo at the bottom left corner and tap on all of your photos to add them. If you can't find them here, select Gallery, look for them here, and to attach them, hit Add at the top right corner. If you still can't find them, click on Gallery, then select Folders and look for your photos in one of those apps by tapping on Images, or by selecting those three lines at the top left corner and picking one of those sources. After locating your photos, hold the chosen one, and click Select at the top right corner to add it. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!